walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
I have a BMW X1 here. This one got drugged on the side. It has a new rear door, has a little damage on the quarter panel, and then the majority of the damage is on this front door, right in this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the rear door on, see how it lines up to the front door, because I probably have to bring this edge out, and go ahead and straighten out that front door and straighten out the quarter panel. Get this one fixed up. Alright, I got this rear door fitting on here good, and now you can see it's flush here and it's flush at the top, but this is all rolled in right here. So I'm going to roll the edge of that door out and go ahead and repair this front door. I put some gaffer's tape on the inside here. We're going to have to refinish this edge anyway, but just to keep from nicking it up so bad. There it is, lining up good. Alright, now I have a older Infiniti here. This one just gets a new door. The old door was destroyed. Got a new used door, unfortunately. And then it gets the color blended into the back door and the fender. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hang this door on there, get it fit up, make sure it fits correctly. Then I'm going to go ahead and take it apart, get it disassembled for paint. Looks like this door is lining up really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this door taken apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug this door up to roll the window down, because it makes it a lot easier to get the glass out if I get the window where it's supposed to be.